So guys, as I posted before when I was reviewing the truck, it's a 2014 F250 6.2 gas with 221,000 miles on it. As you can just zoom in on the ticket. That's what we got right here. Got this from the auction, right? So basically, on this on the driver's side bank, it was making a little ticking sound, and then it was a check engine light for like a misfire. So basically, I ended up looking at it, and you could see sparks shoot out from the ignition coil. This is the old one. I put a new one in. I didn't drop that video, but I should have. But as you can see, when I took it out, you can see it's cracked in like two different places, right here, and then it's cracked right here. I should have ended up switching all of them out, but this is going to be a flip, so I just switched that one out. And you see the boot that came out, it was took a little time to get out, seized up in there. So, but I got it out. I got it out, but that was my problem with the check engine light being on. So far, she sound good. But that's the part two of that video. What was the misfire? It's terrible, man. Terrible.